All right, so okay, I'm wearing a McDonald's shirt. um, all right, so I'm just gonna put this on my face. I don't know what this is. Does this have SPF? Is this for the night or the daytime? Oh wait, the daytime. Okay, this black stuff is gonna go under my eyes for no reason. Why is that one dripping? Looks like diarrhea. Okay, now I'm taking a piece of cookie dough to blot it. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I look really bored putting this on my face. I wonder if I'm going to work. I don't think I'm going to work because this is a lot. Or if you're extra like me, you're just going to do the most anyway. Okay. Does this really match my skin tone? This looks very beige. Are those medium fries on the shirt? Or do you think that's a large medium fry? Now I'm gonna put this under my eyes so I don't look tired as fuck. And I don't scare your bitches away. Is that okay, you're gonna cover that little pimple. I don't know what that was. Alright, so I'm back to blotting my under eyes because I don't want to look like a scarecrow. So you're just gonna focusly blot over and over again until this doesn't look like makeup. Okay, I have a whole face on. A whole different face. Is this really my skin tone? Is this Fenty Beauty? Oh, Rihanna, come through. This is the Fenty Beauty. I don't know what this is, but it's a stick. Looks like chapstick, but with color. And you're just gonna trace all the spots you want to make smaller. I don't know. I still don't know why you would trace your hair. Maybe. And your jawline. And then you go in with a big ass brush and you just blot for days while looking at the floor, camera. You bitches. I'm mad cute. Like, do you see me? Looking okay. Now you're gonna use Rihanna's Fenty Beauty, which I probably got for free. No shade, like I probably got that for free. And you're gonna put it in like these tribal areas so you look like you're ready to go to battle with your imperfections. Okay, so now I'm gonna just blot my chin real quick. So, you know, it's even, not oily. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this tool and put it under my eye again. Maybe I missed the spot the first time. Morphe brush. I wonder why the squares are different sizes. Okay, get the under eye and under my left eye. My right eye? My left eye. I can't tell. Okay, now you're okay. Everything I have. And now you put it on everywhere. I'm like mad hungry right now. And these fries on my shirt are not helping. Okay, now we're gonna do brows. Now you don't want that to look like a fry. You want that to be arched with the brow blade. You're gonna go in and you're gonna draw it not too like bushy or caterpillary. My eyebrow kind of look like a roller coaster though. But like a good one, like you're about to go up and then down. But like not too steep, but arched. Now, if you're taking me out on a date, don't take me to the water park because my eyebrows will go with the slide. And don't rub on my face either. Okay, primer, this, okay. Now you're gonna brush. Who said you needed to have like a full eyebrow? You can just draw one. Art class, huh? Okay, now you're gonna take this skin colored lotion and put it under your eyebrow with precision, not crooked because then you'll ruin it. A milli rock on any block. Okay, that wasn't a milli, but y'all know what I meant. Now you're gonna use a base, which kind of looks like paint, and you're just gonna put it on your eyelid. Like this. This is gonna look mad extra. Like I'm the Ronald McDonald to that fry. But it's okay though, you're just gonna blend the fuck out of it. Wait, can I curse? I don't think you can curse on YouTube. I'll bleep that out. Mad thirsty, like thirsty. Morph-y. We don't do no Kylie Jenner over here. At least not for this video. Kylie, we love you. If you want to send us free shit, we'll take it. But for right now, we're using the Morphe brush. Colors brush? What brand is this brush? Is this from... Where's this brush from? Okay, well, just any brush. The watercolor brush. And it's dirt colored. Base. Bake base? Okay, okay. Now you're gonna put more paint on the shadow you just put. Is that in my eye? That's in my eye. That's on my eyelash. Now you're gonna use this small little, okay, all I see is a barcode. Oh, okay, fuck the brush. So you're just gonna use your finger and you're gonna tap in, okay, the brush is back. Yeah, so you're just gonna swish it around, line it. Now I look like a sunset raccoon. Oh, and some glitter. Let's Kesha this bitch and put some glitter on it. Then you're gonna put glitter with a different brush. Oh, that's hella glitter. You're gonna put hella glitter on your eyelids. This is a lot. Like, people do this every day. What? Roller lash. Eyelashes to bat at your mans with. What? Then you're gonna do a wing. Okay, is this my left or my right eye? Sugar baby, is that candy? Okay, it's not. That's a whole other eyelash. Do you glue these on? How does these stay on? Is that a pinza? Okay. I don't know how these are staying on, but we're just gonna put them on there with a pinza. And then bat them twice. Okay, I can't sing, but yes, these McDonald's fries. I don't know what the name of this palette is because I didn't show you. Now it's double mint gum under my eyes. All I think about is money. Anastasia, like the princess from Disney. So you're gonna put some Anastasia stick, okay, and 5 other things. I like the color green. Green reminds me of money. Money! And this, I don't know what brand this is either. And neither do you, because I didn't show you. Now we're gonna put some highlighter on. Next, right. Don't press next on this video though, because I'll find you. See, Ariana didn't write this song thinking of my video. Okay, more products. We are not saying next to Fenty Beauty though. We're using everything she sells. And a little stick. I don't know what. Okay. Now we're gonna line my lips. And these are all natural lips. Unless if you heard otherwise. No, these are all natural lips. I'm playing. So you're gonna overline them like Kylie did for the first 3 years. And you're just gonna put hella lipstick on. Like it's not about to go away when I eat these fries. Look at this look, slay. Slay, now I'm gonna just look in every direction while I slay. And look over there and down at you bitches and over there. Am I saying goodbye? I hope you were able to do that because I didn't really teach you how. Okay, bye.